I hope everyone is doing well, and this is my first ever video. I know that a lot of stuff is going on around the market, and there's a lot of Trump and a war and that kind of stuff. Amidst that, the crisis, there's so much going on, and it's my first video that I'm making, and I hope a lot of you guys will benefit a lot from this. And honestly speaking, I have never made any kind of outline as to how will I approach this YouTube channel. I don't know at all, but I have certain guidelines about myself, and I want to do something that no one here is doing. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you, and please hold your pants while I'm saying to you. So you have to be patient about what I say, and listen closely to what I say. So please wait as I set up few things, and you can just skip it over if you want, but I will tell you a lot. So within 1 or 2 minutes I will tell you what's actually I am going to tell you, and it would be tremendously beneficial for you. Okay, so I'm really grateful that you guys have come here and tried to spend your time and energy here, and I can assure that this would be beneficial for you. So what is Caleria ICT? Do you know? No, I guess very few people know about who is Caleria ICT, because he is about to boom in few months, or I would say 3 months, because you will see the result yourself and you will get to know who I am. So please hold your pants and listen. So the point that I want to make is there's so much nonsense that is going around on YouTube and other servers where there are a lot of streamers, and they are doing streamings, and they just it's not a good thing that they are doing. So they are just throwing nothing on you, and I don't know why people believe them, and it's just so fake shit. I just can't tell in words. It's so fake shit there. So it's so embarrassing. Okay, so I've decided that I will fill that gap out, and I will do the trades live in front of you. But what would make me different from all the other the person there would be that I will be showing live trades and counting each trade. As you can see on the left hand side of my screen, there is a complete trade counter. Okay, so it would be beneficial for a lot of people to see my progress, my live trade progress in that realm. So you guys have to hold something out and listen. So what pairs do I trade and how all of that moves? So the pairs that I trade are EURUSD, GBPUSD, Euro GBP. Its spread is high, I know, and a lot of people don't trade that. I also trade very few setups that I found there, not every setup that it's appeared there. So I will tell you which setup to take, which you should take, and under your own idea. And I also have recently started to trade indices, so I've seen that I'm pretty good at indices. A lot of my setups appear there, and a lot in indices my setup appear a lot. I don't know why, but it's the case, and I've been getting profited from that for about 6 months in indices. I have clear-cut proofs of how I've gotten profitable in the indices. So let's completely forget about the things. What I say, it doesn't matter. You guys don't take it. You guys don't give the trade. If you guys don't understand the real gist of what the trading is, and I will tell you in a few minutes. So it's EURUSD pair. So I want to be brutally honest to you guys. It's not the screen that you are seeing it right now. I don't trade on this screen. It's just to show you guys, because I don't want to show my setup to anyone. Any one of you guys. I know that I am doing something for you, but the setup, I want to clearly cut it out that I will not tell you, anybody, my setup. So if it hurts you, see, truth always hurts. Okay, truth always hurts. So always remember that truth always hurt, and nobody say the truth, and I am saying the truth. And if you don't like the truth, it means you are escaping away from the truth. Okay, so don't call me selfish in that, because even those who say that they will tell you the setup, they don't, because they are hypocrite as well as selfish, and you have to work your way out of it. For the setup that work on a regular basis and that makes money, you have to give your ass out in front of it. Okay, It's not just like you sit there and you will get that. It's just bullshit. So, by the way, I'm not here out breaking the setups. I'm just telling you what the truth is. And if you as a trader, I know a lot of you are new here and you don't understand the trading at all. Please bear with me. I'm here. One day, maybe, if I'm at that level, maybe, if I want, okay, to a very specific community, to only those who really deserve and not those who are fucking around here. I call those people, go away, bro. I don't need you. Those who are fucking around here, go away. Those who are serious and want to make serious profits, they should stay and listen. And also see, and those who are fucking around here, they should fucking see how the profits are made, and they would not be able to make a single profit in this world anymore. Never. Okay. So, I want to, I have done some analysis. It's on my other chart. I won't show you as I show, but I'm right now looking on the EURUSD. I will tell a little bit details about what am I seeing and what am I projecting. So right now I don't see any kind of setup. But market will also always move, okay? It's the fact, but it's not always move is your move unless you are a fucking. Let's leave it. So I want to say that not every move is your move, okay? There are very specific moves that we take as a trader that are yours, and those moves, they're just holy grails, and I will show them live in front of you guys, and maybe some people who will stick to it and give their heart out of it, they will get benefit, and those who do not stick to it and do not give the heart out of it, they will not benefit from it at all. And okay, so as I said, I do not see any kind of my moves. It's like, what do you say? It's my move. Okay, it's not someone else. It's who am I? Okay, so basically, I am not seeing any kind of my moves in this EURUSD. I know the screen is not moving and you are just listening, but this is going to be the essence of my videos, that you will have to bear it out, and only those who bear it out will be able to survive it out and get serious benefits from the trading, okay? It's not for everyone, and if you are someone who's like looking for a quick moves and quick everything, go the fuck out of here, because you will not get it here. What you will get it here is a complete honesty and all the trades that I personally take, and this is what I want to say. So I'm right now still analyzing the moves. Okay. Right now market is sitting on very top. If you basically, if I move it to wait a second, 4 hour, you will see that right now market is boomed from here, and if I take the setup here, that would be the setup of the buy. Oh, sorry, sell. if I ever decided to take, like, there's so much going on here, like here, okay. I'm so sorry I can't point out, but this is the way you have to wait, and that's why I've given the trade checker. If I, as soon as I will take the trade, I will put it here on the left side of my, wait a second, here. You will see the trade name here, profit and loss here, risk here, and risk taken is the total risk taken. It will be the number of trades I will take per session, live session, and it will be my session profit and loss, because I usually use 2%, so it would be as per that, and it would be a win loss. How much I won, how much I lost. Tell me, who is the person who showed their loss? No one. No one. I fucking say no one. Again, okay? No one. No one is there showing his losses, okay? But I'm here and I'll tell you the truth. The truth is, what is the truth? Does anybody know the truth? Truth is, you will fucking get lost in these things, and you will never be able to achieve success unless you follow what I say. You just have to wait. I'm still analyzing your USD, because the reality is that the graphs are much more complicated than you see. But see that love those people who say that you have to sit in front of my table and do trading, bro. It's not like that. Okay, it's not like that at all. You have to give your ass out in front of the table. Okay. So yes, you have to get used to the fucking still screen. Yes. If you can't, then see, I'm not doing this because if you are lazy, you will not get it, bro. How can I put it? Just have to wait and wait for my signal. Okay. Now, I want to tell that right now how much time. Yeah, it's been 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes I'm saying, okay, check. What I say, you have to listen. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes, I know. I'm sorry, I was just checking it around. It's my first time, so that's why it was going like that. Okay. So this one, yeah. It's your USD rule. So the point here is you have to wait for the signal. My signal, okay? And I am not encouraging to take this unless you decided to. So it's clearly your decision to take it. I'm just telling you that I am a profitable trader, and I will do some profitable trading in front of you. So it's all on you, okay? You have to decide whether I'm credible enough or not. And if you feel that I'm not credible enough, you can go. But this would not happen, okay? This would not happen at all. You will see the results and you will get amazed by it. Okay, so the market is this 4-hour candle, it's red. Yeah, there were some areas I was also looking for sell, but I would not have taken that as sell. Okay, I'm not saying I would have taken that sell. No, I can say not every move is your move. Okay, so I would not have taken that sell. It's not mine. It's not mine. Okay, so coming back, the point here is that for me, I don't see any opportunity in EURUSD, so let's move to GBPUSD. Okay, so I use Forex. Okay. Okay, so let's see how it's going. I have also my own chart. I am not going to show you my chart unless there may be a point in time which I don't feel like would ever come. Okay. When I will show you my charts. It's not. Okay, so I'm looking at GBPUSD. You have to listen and listen to get what I want you to understand, and you have to wait. Trust me, it comes from wait. You are the best channel ever that could potentially make you profitable, because I know that not everyone is listening here. Okay, no problem. Fucking I'm fucking aware that no one is here to listen. That's why it's only for a very niche audience. So yeah. So I am looking for a potential sell in GBPUSD. Potential sell, not right now. Not right now. I can say not right now. And it could change, as I say. See, there is a potential sell there. Okay, I'm not taking it. You should not take it, because I'm going to tell the rule when the trade would be considered as mine. Okay, so I feel like it's going to go down, but right now, no. It doesn't mean I'm going to take it. See, listen. It's not to say that I'm going to take it. Okay, you just have to wait for other signals and a lot of stuff that unfortunately I can't share it with you guys. So you have to listen me on. Okay, so I will see if it's fulfilling my criteria of taking a trade, and I will then and only then enter in that trade. Okay, see, that's how the professional trading works. And I don't know who has ever told you. I don't know what's going on there. People just say, no, it's going to go down and up. It's bro, fuck them. Fuck them out. Okay, so right now I am seeing that one of my criteria is not fulfilled in GBPUSD. Because one of my criteria is not fulfilled, listen, even one, I have a lot of criteria, and one of them is not getting fulfilled. That's why I'm not entering in that trade. I'm not giving money to that trade. When I will give money to that trade, I will show you. Okay, I'll show you here, and it would be added here. Like if I get here, look. If I get GBP sell and I put like around, I'll risk 2% okay as usual, and I'll get 4. So I'll add the trade here, and you will see that I will get either loss or roti. I don't care about losses here. See, it's one loss and I haven't taken it. I'm just showing you, so I'm deleting it, and when I will paste it here, it means that now it's my trade. Now I've entered in my account. Okay, so fuck what I do in my account, but I just want to show you this is what I would be doing in my account. Okay, so I'll paste it here and I will tell you this time when I will do it. Okay, so you have to prepare it out, and there's a lot of rant that you might not like, but it's the reality. You have to go through it. So as I said, a little bit down. Do I care? No, not at all. I called it yes, but does it matter? See, it does not matter at all, guys. It does not. And if you go to other live stream, people would brag that they have called this move. Have I? No. No, I am not bragging that. Neither do I deserve it, because it was not my trade, bro. See. To see. Okay. See. Okay, so one of my criteria was not fulfilled, so I didn't take the trade. So this is how professionals do. Okay, so yeah, now it's confirmed that one of my criteria is not fulfilled. So I'll just move to next market, which is GBP. So let's see how it goes in this 1 minute chart. I have it in front of you, 1 minute chart. So let's open that in my account and see how I am seeing what in Euro GBP. So right now I'm not looking at any kind of trade in Euro GBP, and my setup could potentially appear at 2 positions. Okay, 2 fucking positions. I will take that in front of you, and will tell you why. I will not tell you why, but I will just point that level where I could potentially get my setup. Not see, I don't take the trade even if I don't get one criterion fulfilled. So market will go there. I will look at those very, very minute and complex and sophisticated things there. I will mark some location, and you guys have to wait for that before even I would call any kind of move. So the location is like 0.86755. This, I'm just going to mark it, this location. Okay, and for me, it can be a potential buy zone, but it's not right now. See, I will, when the market will go there, I will look at very specific things. Okay, very, very specific things. They are so sophisticated, trust me. This is my position. Do not take a trade here, okay, right now. I will call it when I say. Do not trade. Even if I say you have to see me first, like, am I credible enough? You have to decide it. So, and another buy location, sell side for me is 0.87409. I'm not going to do sell unless I see very specific things here. Okay, I guess you have understood how forex trading. So please bear in mind that you have to wait, be patient. Some days you will not get even a single setup here, not a even fucking setup. Okay, so we haven't got any setup in GBP, Euro, and there was another setup which is Euro GBP. So see, that's how we have to wait and fucking wait for a lot of time, bro. Patience is the name of the game. We have to be patient. If you want fucking quick trades, go out. Go fucking out. It's not here. You will get the quality trades and those trades which only I take. Okay. So now I want to I trade, as I said earlier, I trade but indices, so I will now look at indices. So it's forex.com US 20,000. Okay, so this I'll see if there's any trading in my chart, and I will tell you whether I'm trading it or not. Okay, so there was no new. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. So there is only a fucking small chance of getting a sell it here. Very small chance. Okay, if this liquidity got sweep, I'm looking for a sell. I'm not saying I'm taking the sell. Okay. Oh, what the fuck is this, bro? Oh, I don't know what just happened, bro. Please bear in mind. I don't know. I've never opened these kind of things, bro. What's never open these websites. What is this? Oops. Sorry. Okay, so I'm really sorry for that, guys. I don't know what happened. It was by my side. I'm sorry again. It's my first time I'm doing so. You have to bear this then the bridge thing. So, what's the point? The point is that I might be, again look at my word, I'm saying that I might be interested to go for sale here, and there is very, again I say, minimal. You know what's minimal? There is very minimal chance that to get a buy here. Okay, very minimal chance. I'm telling you from my experience. Maybe it could get buy from here, and it goes boom, and maybe it could buy and I don't take that buy. Okay, so there are very specific things that I do in the market and go out. Okay, So you have to get. I'm looking here. If it fits my purpose, I will take. So this is what I can tell you guys. So I have told what I do here. Okay. My live stream well. I guess so. Okay, so right now only the privileged men, if the excess interests me, follow me and see the results after or whatever time you want. I'm not saying it will, just boom from here, okay? It can go down and fucking down. We don't know. Right now we don't know. Okay? If it did certain actions here, certain very few things, very complex things that I see, if it did those things, I will take the trade. Otherwise, I will not, and I will leave it, bro. Even if it go up, I will not take it, okay? Because it's not panned out yet. When do you take the cake out of the oven, huh? When it's cooked, do you see a cake and you just pull the door of the dollness or whatever oven? Do you do that? No, right? Why don't you do that? Because you have to see it cooked. Right now I want it to cook it here, okay, here. These are my points. These are my fucking points. These are my fucking points. And I said, this point is more complicated than that. Okay? And I'll tell you. Not here. Why? It's something else and it's fucking complicated. I don't want to share it here. Okay? Share it here. So these are the 2 points I'm looking for in US 20,000, and then we'll move to another pair. This okay. So what's happening here is really interesting. I'm not looking for any kind of buy this situation because right now, everything I say is valid when I say it, not after it, okay? Do not misinterpret what I say. Let me visit. So, I'll tell you the times when I trade. These are also part of my card. I can give you time. This is the smallest thing I do for you, give you my times. Okay, there's nothing else that I will share it here on YouTube in front of fucking public, fucking crazy public. We just do nothing. Clowns. Okay. I don't do trading in front of the clowns, and I want them to go. Only serious one will stay and listen to what I say, and I hope those guys will benefit from what I say. So the point here is that I'm not seeing any kind of setup in SPX 500 for right now. It's also in future. You can also, if you are trading it from so what was I saying? Yeah. If you guys are trading it on futures, you can search it EM micro contract or mini contract, whatever that word it is. Like you can just search ES. H or whatever the contract month is, you have to find that out. They have their digit and 2026 obviously. To get the contract, you can also use my streams for future trades, but remember always it's all on you. Okay, you have to see the result first. I encourage all of you guys to see my result first. Okay, see, I will also get losses, but it doesn't matter at all. I will tell you how the losses. You will see me getting loose. No one on the YouTube streaming say that. I say that. You know the difference? I'm not lying, they're lying. Because losses are the part of the game, okay? Remember. Okay, so I'm not seeing any setup in SPX 500. Now I'll move to NAS. NAS. Okay. Again, oops. Okay, so here is your fucking contract. I'm not looking for buys in NAS. And what else I can tell you is that maybe focus on my word. Maybe look for sell here. Okay, maybe not right now. When it will reach there, I will tell you guys. So another pair that I trade is US30, and I will tell you if the trade is available there or not. So please hold on for a moment and just review, not say peanuts, whatever. Just look at what am I doing and you will find the value out of it, and I'm fucking sure about that. Okay, so maybe there is some opportunity crying out here. No. It just didn't fulfill my another criteria, so I just see how I fucked it up. See, I saw it and discarded it. That's how trading works. You have to discard, you have to learn it. How to discard. You will do fucking millions of losses without knowing this skill. I'm giving you the skill, bro. This is the point. I saw it. I then saw that one of mine is not getting fulfilled. I completely rejected my trade. Okay, I was about to enter in few minutes if that was not the case. Okay, was not the case. So right now, what am I looking for is that okay, I forgot to open the NAS 20 here. Oh, now very small probability note. I may be looking for sells here. Not right now. Okay, not right now. Okay, don't press the sell button. Avoid that edge. Listen to what I say. Right now. Okay, not right now. So what you have to do is wait, and now what will I do? See, I have marked all the positions in the pairs that I trade, and I'm just right now feeling free. No, I've marked all the pairs, and I'll wait for those to come there, and then I will take the trade if I feel like it totally depends on what do I say, my decision of how I want to approach the trading, of how I want to approach the trading. Okay, so now I'm looking at USD and I just want to mark some areas out. Here. Keep looking at that conjunction. It's not to say that I'm going to trade it out loud, but I'm telling you the location of no. Yeah, I guess I saw this trade in EURUSD and I said one of the criteria is not fulfilling, and I saw it again. And yes, that might be the case. Okay. Yeah, bro, it's fuckingly complicated. Just what everyone is doing. Okay. So the point here is I'm seeing something USD right now. Yes. And I want to see I'm again on that conclusion. Okay, I just didn't mark what I analyzed in EURUSD previously, so I'm again on the same opinion after looking at the criteria in which I trade. So right now there is no trade EURUSD, and right now I want to point some places where I can look for trade, and obviously you might be expecting that I'm randomly putting it out, bro. I just laugh at you, okay? So no, I'm not looking for any trade in EURUSD as of now. Let's move to what the fuck is this? Fuck it. That's a random. I don't care about it. Let's see GBPUSD. All the other pairs are also, moving, and I need to see it out as fast as I can, because obviously this is the market and it don't wait for everyone anytime. So right, Euro GBP hasn't moved much, so as you could see. GBP, okay. Euro GBP hasn't moved that much yet, so what am I? Okay, so now the points are same that I had given. I need to wait. Then I'm going to use this thing. See, it has touched my point, went up. See, I'm not bragging about it, okay? Now I will see if I'm going to take the trade on it or not. US 2000 and see, it touched my point, and as I said, I was looking for some point and I was expecting a buy from that point. It did went up, but the point here is, will I take the trade? And the answer to that question is no. So right as of now, I'll just kill this setup, this card. So you have seen, I don't know, like 4 setup in this card. So see, these are the power of the rules. No rules. This is what the power of the rules is. Okay. So I will not take any trade. Buy trade is of now in US 2000. Next, as always, we move to SPs. Next 500, and I will let's see, we have made any points? No. No, so we haven't made any points here, so let's check it again on my original desktop and I will tell you. As of now, I'm not looking for buy or selling this setup, but it is subject to the change as the market moves, because market movement is what I'm always hunting for, and it's enough for me to grasp a lot of knowledge about what the market will do. Okay, so right now I'm not looking for any buy. I don't care if it goes by. I care. No. Not it. Where is it? I do not care. Sorry, okay. Okay. You should also not care, because right now I will try to guide you on how to, operate with the markets. You will get a lot of valuable lessons from me. So let's move to NAS 100 and see how it panned out. So I was looking for a sell here, and it hasn't reached it yet. It has already moved. But will I take the trade? Let's see. of things are going on simultaneously, trust me. I remember, I don't know if I said I would do buy here, but I exited that I will not do buy based on certain criteria, and I just exited that tendency. I don't know if it was that pair or other, but yeah, it was one of the pairs like that. And but you can see like you get saved when you do that thing. Okay, so always have tons of criteria, tons. Yes, I do mean it when I say tons of criteria. Okay, so as fucking yes, no, Masonry do not have any kind of setup for me right now. Okay, so let's move to US30 and see if it has moved. So after that I will tell you, wait a second, I should, okay, so US30, am I looking for sales? Yes, no. Oh my goodness, bro, I think there is something that I have. No. Everything is okay. Please wait, I'm analyzing up here. Okay. If you say so. I'm looking at that pair and please wait. I think I have, might be, I don't know. Something is coming into my head right now. Okay, so no. Yes, my answer to US30 is no. Yeah, one of the criteria is missing. So, due to that criteria being missing, I'm not taking trade. However, if I don't know, I have this. Remember, I will look for sale when it comes to this area. Okay, this area, marked area, and it's not that I will take that trade. Okay, so you have to be patient. Okay, so I guess we have covered every pair. So So let's move back again to USD and see. Now I hope I'm audible now, so we will wait for certain things to happen in the market, and I'm constantly looking at that too, don't worry. But I have to also talk with you along with trading, okay? So guys, very few of you managed to get there at this point with me. So just close your eyes and listen. I will never disappoint you, trust me. You are my asset because you have reached here, and no one in the fucking this crazy world could have reached to these boring videos, okay? These are fucking boring videos because they make money, and trading is fucking boring. No one tells you, okay? So you are the fucking gem who has been to my boring videos. This proves that you have guts and to hear and patience, which is fucking required here, okay? So what I want to tell you in this video is pretty, that thing. So the point is there are a lot of you, and you guys are from very different backgrounds, I know, and I don't really want to disappoint any kind of person that is from that background. So guys, I'm here to make you profitable, trust me. I don't have any other motivation to come here. I'm here to make you guys profitable. I know the oil price is high and that kind of way. Today it crashed out, and it's another story. Let's talk about it some else time. But now the point is, how can you be profitable in the market? See, the point is, how can you be using me? What's in it for you in my area ICT? Who is that fucking guy who is talking to you? Who am I to tell you who to do that? Okay, I'll tell you. Don't worry, I know you are fucking Jim. You are miraculous. So, what you have to do is only take those trades which I give. But see, I'm not legally allowed to give you any kind of advice here, okay? But you can try me out yourself, and then taking in account your risk and your ability and your trust. I don't know. I'm not here to tell you to take the trades like me. You can just come to my channel and see the trades, whether they are profitable or not. Maybe there would be a day like this one, we haven't got any trade. Okay, so this would happen. Maybe there would be a day where I will get a day full of losses, 5 fucking losses. Who the fuck? The weak one will go away. Oh my god, he said losses, I will go away. No, guys, there is a person who said that the losses are the tax on success, okay? You have to bear those. It's the fucking blood that you give to the market. he will give it back to you. Just wait. Okay? And there would be days would be successful. Okay? So what I want you to tell is, I want to tell you is, see this chart and I will tell you how the market works. Not market, how the profit thing works. Okay? Consider this point. This, can you see the arrow? Let me check if you can see the arrow. Yeah. So this. This cross. This. Consider this area is this area. Let's say this area. Okay. Here's about start of the month. Okay. So consider. Just see that as it goes up, where is that fucking line that I want to tell you? Trend line. As it goes up from here to here, maybe these are my fucking winning live stream days. Okay, in these days I won. Just imagine, and there would be days where I will get lost. And there would be days where I would get fucking crazy amount of winnings. And there would be days where I would get fucking loss. Crazy amount of loss, maybe. Would not be crazy, I have fucking risk management parameters, okay? And there would be days where I would be getting a win again. Okay? So see, if you see the half picture, like remove this win and this win. You came in here 2 days. Month started here and it, let's suppose, end here, okay? It ended. So if you have seen my videos like here, here and here, you would say that yeah, it was a little win and then loss again. So he's not worth watching. That's not how it goes. You have to see it from here to here. You have to see the complete picture from here to here also. Okay? So that's how you will see that the boy was in me, I was at this point. This is say $0 point here. Okay. And then I get profit and loss and profit and no. And then I get what profit here, and this is what good you see at the end of each month. You will see wins, losses, and then eventually you will see that we started from 0, we took losses, but still we get here. See, it's crazy amount of win, okay? After the end of month, you will see the positive results, okay? So I hope you guys have understood that losses are just part of the game and you have to give some try. So remember, or take the screenshot of it and you will see that that is how my trades are panned out, okay? So I will give you another lesson after analyzing the markets. So I'm GBPUSD and I will now analyze the markets, and after that I will give you another lesson of things that you should follow, okay? So GBPUSD is again, it's not moved so much, so it's not for me. Maybe there's another, maybe there are profitable traders, but they are not There are very few of them who are sitting on the YouTube and what should I say? Yeah, very few. I'm saying that this almost this might be some another trader. Okay, he has get profit here. He has got profit here. So it's not that you have to take it. I guess I'd call the market from here to here. Okay, it's not. It's not me. Okay, it's not my setup. Okay, so just fuck it and see. I'm not taking trade on GBPUSD right now, and Euro GBP, and maybe it's still stuck. Yeah, it's still stuck there. I'm not taking trade here also. Then US 2000. Now it is moved to some a little bit good point. It has moved there, but see, there is tons of things that we see apart from that, and right now I'm not looking for any kind of setup in US 20,000, and after that I will move to what was that, SPX 500. It's just like Forex way to do it. Okay, you could search that SPX as S&P in futures, so bear that in mind. Indices can also be traded in futures, and that's way better. I'm just using Forex because I don't know, I'm just used to Forex.com charts, and I am a Forex trader. So, but these things are also applicable to future markets. Okay, remember that. So let's move to SPX 5500 and yeah. So SPX 500. Let's have again. No, right now for me it's a no. Okay, so the next trade is what is that? Mass handle. Right now it's also stuck. Mass 100 is short below. See, we haven't taken any trade yet. Do you care, anyone? No one cares how it goes round. I repeat, no one. So, I don't care about news and that stuff right now. I have to pay special care about news thing, but right now I'm not looking. See, the point is, it's not that I'm not looking at the news. Well, news are important, and there are certain rules around the news which I will tell you, because it's, I guess it's also important for you to know some rules. But there will be things about the news candles that I would not be able to tell you, like how I approach those specifically. You will see that I will not trade the news candle at all. Okay, so I'm not trading NAS 100 today, and the next setup and it is here is US 30. See, it it is going to be difficult for you even to interpret what kind of things that happen. So I just want to give the title of live stream. See, I don't care about my titles and that stuff. I haven't given any kind of title. Right now you can see it's my fucking probably. Do I care? No. But I know that very few people would come here and see, okay. So I don't know how to change the title and that kind of stuff, so please bear that in mind too. So I will tell, I will, stream manage webcam. I don't know how to use that, but okay, so I will give it some title so people could at least come to my channel, and maybe there are people who are like you who are really passionate about trading, okay? Yeah, so this is the point I was looking for. Market didn't go there. I'm not looking for any setup, and it's completely okay. Completely okay. Okay, so now back to EURUSD, and there are things that I want to tell you now. I will wait for the market to go there. So see, today you have learned to do what? Wait. I have also learned to do what? Wait. Only wait. Okay, we haven't done anything except analyze and wait. Who are the fucking people who are taking the fucking trades of every moment? They are taking the trades like, oh, it's not a market, it's their dad's market, dad's job. No, it's not. And there's so much foolery around there, bro. Real trader are like me sitting here and waiting to catch the fucking main response from me. Okay, so right now time is 7:30. I will trade it till what's the time? The time in the New York is 10:32. And I will trade till 11. Okay, maybe my stream would sometime go to 11:30 and 11, so it would vary because I have there are sometimes I trade till 11:30. Okay, New York time. Always remember, it's New York time. New York time. Okay, so I trade from 7 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Okay, this is the morning window that I actually trade upon. Okay, so these would be my streaming times. I will give you the window in which I trade, as I talked about earlier. That I will tell you about my trading windows, and it's also part of my criteria which I told you. So what is the thing that you should be doing? There would be a time when I will do 4-hour streams, okay, and you will have to wait there and look for my signal. Okay, wait. Today you will learn to wait and learn what do you expect from my channel, and what kind of growth do you expect from my channel. Okay, so I proved it right in front of you guys, so always remember that. So I promised you to tell you one of my criteria, and that's that time. Okay, So next thing I want you guys to know is that, remember, guys, do not, if you have not, remember, this is the lesson I want to give you right now. See, I know there are people who have a lot of money here, and there are people who don't have money here, and there are people who want to spend some money on trading, and there are people who want to spend it but they do not have money to spend on trading. Okay, I will do some real talk right now. So what you have to do, guys, please note, if you do not have experience of over 2 years, you are not allowed to spend even a single penny on this fucking trading thing. You just have to wait for 2 years to spend money. Why does it feel silly to so many people? I will tell you. So the point is, wait 1 minute. So the point is that the trading is so complex thing. There is, I'm sorry about that. Okay. So the point is that trading is so complex that you will need around 2 years to learn it. Okay. Still, 90% of the people will not get what they want. Okay, still 90% of them will not get what they want if they gave their 2 years. Okay, so how are you gonna learn? I guess that's up to you. I'm not a teacher here, okay? I'm not a teacher here. I'm a trader, and a real trader telling the people how the real trading works and how do you make profit out of it, and how does a real, not the fucking full real trading looks like, okay? So it's that thing that I want to work you guys on, okay? So I was telling you that you will need around 2 years to learn it first, and you will need around 1 year of back testing, and that 1 year of forward testing, live market testing. Trust me, no one talks about live market testing of 1 year online. There are very few people who do, and I appreciate that. I'm not saying everyone is saying shit around there, but there are some things that people say that are legit, okay? But it's very few things, and it's very few people, and it's very difficult to find out such content on YouTube, okay? So see, you will learn it for 2 years. You will have a complete, I would say, like, you need to work on one system. There are multiple systems to trade, okay? Tons of systems to trade, and there's so much foolery. But I'm not here to tell you what system you take, whether you take ICT route or other route. I will not stop you from pursuing those routes. Okay, so what you are going to do is take one of the routes, okay, and stick to it for 2 years and create a system, and create a fucking system that actually work, that is actually applicable on that system. And for 1 year, for the next 1 year, you have to test those system on the back market and forward market and live market. Okay, live market. Why am I saying live market? Because trust me, guys, trust me, I'm going to tell you another bit that's going to be really applicable to you guys. So I have 20 minutes right now, so I'll tell you so why live testing is important for the third year of your career. So why is it important? So the point is, you have to give your third year for that, because hey, 1 second, my hands are wet because I put that in my cold water. What you are seeing in this market is a lie. What you are seeing in this chart is a lie. This is why you need to test live market for 1 year. Okay. Have you written that? What you see in this market is a lie. Wait a second. I should type it here. It's a lie. These down movements and up movements, these are lie, especially on smaller time frames. If you go, but it does not mean that these things doesn't mean anything. Okay, there is so much obstacle after obstacle that you will face when you will move from backward testing, forward testing to the live testing, because you would have to face, I don't know, tons of issues. Like now, the price would not be same in that server. Okay, the stop loss they give them, they will just hit it without. They will open the spread and they'll say yes, it is just a spread thing, and I'm talking about Forex world, so you need to hear. They will open up spreads and they'll say like, yeah, you have to, go out of the trade, and then you will see that the chart is going up like from here to here. Okay, so your stop is, if your stop is like, sorry, this is, so imagine you have a stop here. Okay, I'm telling you another lesson. Imagine you have a stop here. This is your stop. You entered here and your target was this. Imagine you have done all 3 work of hard work, and now you go to the live testing. So you go there, they will just knock you out of here, and they will add a spread, this bit of spread to you, okay, without telling you any reason. Okay, so you will need to have to cope up with this situation, and you will need to make the stricter rules how to approach the trading. Okay, so for that, I don't want to ruin your journey. I just want to tell you that here you can see like 2 pip trade. Okay, if it's 8 pips, they will not. If it's like 2 pips trade, they will open up 1 pip spread on you, and 50% of your profit is already gone. Okay, so 50% is a big thing, so you need to make sure that you do not trade small pips. And I know, but I will show those trade setups here. That would be also in small pips. Remember those. Do not take those setups. Why am I taking those setups and showing those to you? Because I'm right now trading in demo account, not on my real account. Okay, the trade that I will take in the real account, I won't tell you guys. Okay, because it's just a thing for you guys. Because right now I'm telling you which take would you be expecting me that I would be taking live with you. It would be about more than or equal to 8 pips in EURUSD, and I've just told you what I will do in EURUSD, not in other pairs. Remember that. Okay, just for you, I know you deserve it. So anything below it, I will not take. Okay. So these are some rules that we actually make so that the spread and whatever the brokers do, we do not care whatever it does. Okay, it would not affect. Why is it? There is a specific reason, and I don't want to go in depth about the reason, about why I have specifically chosen it. I will tell you sometime, but I will not tell you right now. Okay, so it must be greater than 8 or equal to 8. Okay, so that's how you save yourself from the fucking spread and lot of fucking noise around the market, around the live market, I would say. Okay, so I will show those small trades there in my live setup, so that weak ones who haven't approached, who are not listening to me right now, they get nothing out of it. Okay, this is how the real trading is. I will show them 2 pips trade, they will take it, they will get fucked up, and they actually will and I would be in profit in these markets, but they would be in loss in the market because they don't know, they have missed this part, this specific part. Okay, so the point is, I told you the market is a lie. Oh sorry, the market tells the lie and how to avoid it. And it would be lie for the people who haven't listened to me, and it would remain a complete lie to the people who haven't listened to me at all. And you guy, I don't know who you are, bro, or my sister, or anyone, like you might be older than me. Okay, but you have done it, you have listened to me. Okay, so I have a little reward for you. I've told you the rule which trade I'm going to take in my live account, and it might not go to the loss. I've also told you that I might get a loss. Okay, and I told you there was complete fucking lecture I give about how I will grow in every month. How would you see the results? Okay, so if you miss that part, it's on you. You have to go back and listen to it. Okay, so the point here is that those people who haven't listened to me, they will take that 2 pip trade and get lost, and they will see me adding plus in my here. I'm going to tell you, they will see me adding plus here. They don't know I don't have taken that trade. Okay, they don't, because they have not listened, and it's not the channel for those people who do not listen. You have to listen, and you will get closer to what I do. So they will see positives here, but they will see negatives in their loss on their live account, because first of all they haven't done it for 3 years. Okay. Second of all, they haven't listened. Okay. These are the things. So now you know why I have always in the very start I told a lot of you guys to hold your pants and listen. So it's just a tip of the iceberg. I will tell a lot to you how it goes. And okay, so I was also telling you how you should do your background and what you need to work. So see, there are very specific trade that we take on live content, and it also grow in the similar manner. Maybe it take more time than or 2 pips trade, but it also grow in the similar manner from here to here. Okay, like profit loss, then profit. So can you please wait, I will tell you. Please wait. Okay, so listen, they haven't listened. So I'm telling that please revisit what I said, and I want to say it again, that those live trade that we will take, they will also grow in the similar manner in the way those small trades which we do not take. Okay, they will also grow in that similar manner. Okay, if you haven't understood why they would stop us out, like they will reject your trade, they will just you need to put some time to learn about spreads, and you might know about spreads, and they just fucking eat 50 to 80% of your total profits if you do not listen to what I said. Okay, so this is the reality that I am telling you. So next thing I want to tell you is, you will only take, you will, just like I am telling the trades here in this counter. Okay, you are seeing the trade counter. You will also have a complete journal of what you do after 2 years. Yes, so you will have a complete journal, and you will see that your account will also grow like from here to here. Okay, so it's not the point of the system. For the as long as system is concerned, as long as system is concerned, you have to device it out yourself. I'm not here to tell you to go to follow a very specific system, because I'm only professional in one system, and I have conquered it, and for years, for about a lot of years. Okay, a lot of fucking years I came into that system. So that's why I'm here, like talking to you guys and telling you, because I also started like this. This is my motivation, because I know that how it feels to be a trader, a developing trader. So I'm just a light. Although my channel look dark, I am a light. Okay. So I'm telling you that you have to journal both. I will write it. You have to listen, but I'm also writing so that journal both small and large and take only those trades. And take only those trades which are large pips, and that large pip, the reason what actually was the logic behind small and large pip trade, you will have to identify it yourself. But as for me, the large pip is 8 pips, maybe for my system. Okay, so you know right now, as you are approaching, you are getting to know about my system, and if you keep following me, you will get a lot of things about my system, and you would actually enjoy trading with me. Okay, so so what you should do is, how could you distinguish between small and large pip trade? It would be completely on you and your live trading experience and the spread thing and the lot of spillage and that kind of thing that your system allows. Okay, so you will only take large pip trades. So that's how my system is. I will also general port trade, but I will also only take large pip trades here. And I also want to clear that you will see at the end of my month there would be potential profit in my journal. Okay, the journal is on the left side. Show it, I don't hide it like other people's. Okay, so today let's move to euro. I want to give it one more shot. I guess the time is about up. It's going to be 11, and you can see markets going fucking down, and euro GBP is not worth it right now. Neither is USD, and everything is stuck. So I will not trade it today. I will not take any trade today. So there was zero number of trades, as you can see. As you can see here, number of trades is 0. Okay, if I had taken a trade, it would show 1. So as you can see, we haven't taken any trade, but you have learned fucking hell amount of things from me, and I guess now you know how you need to approach me, and you have a little, I can say little blueprint of how you should be approaching me clear here. Okay, so you need to listen, and if you don't want to learn, again, last thing I know people like only 1 out of million would reach here, and you are the one who deserve it to hear. If you want to, I know it's fucking difficult to learn trading. Okay, if you don't want to learn trading, I'm just talking to you. I know no one is here, it's just between me and you. First try to learn trading using the ICT system. Okay, he will guide you a lot. So if you are not able to by any chance, if you are not able, because it's fucking complex and it take fucking hell amount of time, and see, first try to learn it. Okay, but as the content is fucking complicated and you have to connect the dots from the first day to the last day, it's just sophisticated that most of the people do not find success in it. So what you should do is, rather than trying to learn a system, stick with me. Just stick with me. Create another account. Subscribe to only this channel. Okay, you do not subscribe to any fucking activity except this. Create another account for it, okay? Create another account for it and do it for trading. Keep it. I will be here 5 days a week, Monday to Friday, and I would be trading and you would be listening. And if you gave me some time, at least a month, you will see the results. You will fucking see the result. This thing would be positive in front of you, and only after seeing me doing it consistently, you will gain confidence to maybe, like, you are also learning a system. So maybe your system, when your system says buy and my system says the buy automatically, so it would be a match between me and you are allowed to take the trade then. Okay, I do not want to copy my trades like blindfoldedly without trusting me, because I know it's difficult and there are some legal compliances there, so I'm not telling you what to do financially, but I'm giving you a framework which you can just consider as an opinion to follow, and it's completely on you. I'm not just forcing you, okay? But what you need to do is hold your nicety, and whenever you feel that, let's suppose you are also seeing your market yourself on your own, okay, and then what happens is you say it's a buy, and then you come to me and it's also a buy. Take the trade, okay? But just remember that 3-year system, okay? Remember that 3-year framework I gave you. I know you listened to me when I told about 3-year system about trading, but only after that you will have to. Otherwise, if you're not able to give 3 years in that thing and you are just here, you need to see my results and then act as you wish, whether you want to follow me or not, okay? So it would be the best idea to give 3 years, 2 years learning, 1 year testing, 2 years learning, 1 year testing, and then I then compare your buy signals with me, and then it would be a guaranteed success. It's a written thing. It's a fucking written money on your head. Okay, so but if it's not possible on your side, and you know, I told you about the patients at the very early, and it's not possible at your side, then you need to see this channel 4 hours regularly, okay, 5 days a week, and within a month, I would say within a month, there would be so fucking information here, so fucking information. Like today I told you about the patience, the 1 month plan, and the trades that you should take. Okay, so these are the things. There will be more things that will be coming up. So you will need to follow me for some months, and under your own decision you will see my credibility of my trading, because I don't want anyone to judge me, but you need to I know, because it might be the real money or demo money, but you need to try me out on demo money, and I think you should keep trying me out on demo money, and one day you will get how I really enter in the live fucking trades, and how I'm always profitable, and so you will be also a profitable trader if you do what I said. Okay, so thank you, all of you who are listening. Thank you. I know right now nobody is listening to me, and you are the only precious one who is listening to me. So, just fucking do what I say and just fuck everyone and do what I say, and you will find success. Okay, so do remember to subscribe me because I don't have any marketing fucking plans to do. Okay, because I'm not here to earn money and that kind of stuff, but I'll not do any kind of marketing and ads and that kind of blah. This is such bullshit. So you need to add me in your list and keep trying me out, and you will see how beneficial it would be for you. And otherwise I would just be lost in this whole thing, dense information world. So keep this information in pocket. Treat it like diamonds that I'm telling you. Treat them like diamonds, please. These are diamonds that I'm giving you, okay? One day it will convert it. One day you will convert these things into diamonds. So do remember to subscribe and support me as much as you can, like by subscribing. And I don't fucking care if the weak one subscribe or not, they go away reporting me. I don't fucking give a shit about them because I don't want to see them successful ever. I only want to see you successful. That's why I'm telling you to use it as diamond. The weak one, fuck off. So that's it for me. I hope it was insightful and it bring a lot of confidence about how you would approach my channel clear, and I hope it was genuinely insightful. And remember, I will be coming again regularly. I will try my best, so remember it. Okay, so thank you so much guys. Hope everything is getting clear. So we haven't got any trade today, so it is what it is. I can't do anything about it. I can't change the market for you, so I can't actually control the market from here. It's no one dares market, okay? So we haven't got any trade. We have checked a lot of pairs, so these are the pair trade. You should also add them in your list. And Forex.com, I use that. I'm not affiliate, fucking affiliate. How can I be affiliate, bro? I don't have any kind of subscriber like that. But if you want to use it, it's your choice. I'm not just forcing you. So remember to subscribe and use this diamond as much as you can. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I'm going to stop the screaming.